Welcome to cross-browser testing in UFT. We're going to demonstrate how to run the same UFT test across various browser types and versions. When opening UFT, make sure the web and mobile add-ins are enabled so that you can test both desktop and mobile browsers. Our test Google's UFT, navigates to the Unified Functional Testing page, and then validates against the page title. First, let's check our connection to Mobile Center. And then, configure the record and run settings. On the Web tab, I'll select to launch the browser when the run starts. And add a new parameter for our browsers. The new browser parameter is added to our global data table. Add values to each row in the browser column for each browser you want to test. You can find these values in the UFT Help Center. You can add additional values for mobile browsers, as well as values to locate the right devices in your Mobile Center device pool. Device data values are detailed in the Mobile Center help. The test now runs 3 times for each browser defined. When the test run is done, details about each browser tested are included in the run results. Check out more of our content in UFT.